Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Syntax Megas, and this is day 9 of my coding challenge where I commit to code every day until I land my first coding job. And as I promised in my last video that I'm gonna make one program for OTP generation. So this is the video, and please watch this till end because if you are working on any kind of project where you need some authentication, suppose kind of login page where you need some authentication, so OTP generation could be one of the method for this authentication process. So this program could be very useful, so please watch this till end. And let's start our code. So of course I will start our program with the main method, which is the entry point of every program. And first of all, I'm just gonna declare one string variable. Initially it won't hold any kind of value for now, but we'll use this string for in the later part of the code. For now we will just make one for loop, guys. And for loop is for like suppose you want your OTP to be like 4 digit long, so you're gonna just use this for loop to run for like 4 times to generate four random variable random numbers. And if you want your OTP to be like 6 digit long, then you're gonna run this for loop for like 6 times. So this is the reason why I'm using the for loop. and yeah, it all depends upon you, like what was the length of OTP you want. And now we'll just make one int variable, and I will name this int variable to random because we're gonna hold some random value in it. So this is it. Now let's generate our, sorry, let's make one int random variable. And if you're like in the next part, if you don't understand like what I'm doing there, like you see I have just made one int in bracket. So if you're not getting this, I will tell you, like I will tell you why I'm using this. And here I'm just using the math.random method to just generate the random value. So it will generate random value for 4 times because our for loop gonna run for like 4 times. And we will multiply it with the 10 because math.random just gonna give us value between 0 to 1 in the form of like 0 0.11, 0 0.22, 0.39. But we don't want our OTP like this, right? So we have just multiplied it with 10. So now our values will be between 0 to 10. So it will be like 1.22, 2.22. But still we don't want our OTP like this, right? So that's why I have used int in bracket along with math.random, because it will downcast our double into just normal integer. Like if it's like 1.22, then it will just make this 1. If it's like 2.99, then it will make this like 2. If it's like 3.11, then it will make it 3. So that's why I have used int in bracket along with math.random method, because it is used for downcasting our double into int. And again, this str we have just used to just convert our integer into a string, because we don't want our OTP like to be get added every loop. Like if in the first loop, if we are getting the 1, in second loop is we are getting 2, then it will get added. That's why we are using the string. So see, it's generating some random OTP 3420. So that's how this program is working. And I will suggest you to just work on this, like do a self programming. So see, like again we have just got random OTP 612208951187. So we are just our program is just working fine. So that's all about this program. And keep this in mind, this int random is very important variable here, because math.random just gonna generate some random double variable, sorry, double value. And we have multiplied it with the 10, so that our value will be between 0 to 10. And we have just used the int to just downcast this double uh, to normal integer. And so that's all about today's video, guys. Practice with yourself. I mean, just go and practice it on VS Code or whatever code editor you want to use. So it all depends upon you. So please practice, and subscribe my channel. That's the most important thing for now for me. And let's make this coding challenge successful. Please code along with me, and we'll meet tomorrow with another code. I hope that code will be also interesting. I'm planning to make next code for like a password generator, like a strong password generator. So yeah, stay tuned with my channel, and see you tomorrow with another code, and have a happy coding.